Well, it is all over. Mhlathuze, Richards Bay 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. They all share a point, which is pretty much harder for Mamelodi Sundowns as they drop yet another 2 points in a title race. I say that because I saw Richards Bay was happy about this draw. They even uploaded their teammates. They have been able to get a point at least and a 3 point from the big three when it comes to Richards Bay. So that is something to be uploaded and something to be happy about. This is Troopers. If this is your first time here, please do subscribe, share channel nabangazi ukuthi sikuphathele ungaphathwa abaningi. Igama lami uSiboniso Sizo wakamnikazi sibongana ngami ngedwa umphethe coach Killer Mpela, the plumber of notes, who said Mamelodi Sundowns was going to win.
Yes, baby, adle plumber, adlukuzawayo, adle plumber.
Not your prediction namhlanje. Richards Bay says no.
I don't remember myself predicting
Oh, there we go again. The whole time you still now and
Bring the clip.
the whole time you still now and So do we need to roll the cameras if it's still landing?
Bring the clip. Bring the clip one.
Okay, when I would take the
Didn't say anything. Didn't ask me anything.
But unfortunately, your players that you rated highly, they were taken in your Mkwena, but he could not be able to get a goal.
Yeah, for me, this is 2 points dropped for Richards Bay FC.
Not Sundowns.
Yeah, not the Sundowns. When you look at the game, clear-cut opportunities, they were for Richards Bay. Dangerous, big chances, and the box entries, they were for Richards Bay as opposed to Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns, yes, on set pieces here and there, but Richards Bay with their transition, especially from defense to attack, they were creating a 3v2, creating a 1v1 sometimes. It's just that sometimes inexperience of their players, they always caught offside because sometimes it's always good, especially when playing in high line. So here and there, the lineman was also making mistakes, of which I think if the linemen were always spot on, Sundowns would have considered. Also brilliant saves from Rowan Williams. But as for Sundowns, very, very difficult game for them. For me, I think if Thembazwane was in, because obviously Lokuzana was sitting, if Thembazwane was in, something was gonna happen because Thembazwane is a master of half spaces. He's able to create something out of nothing. He's able to do a big heel so that you can come closer to the box and able to shoot outside the box. So for me, because now Sundowns lack a creativity, they were just one-dimensional the way they were playing. For me, Saleng is just a liability. It's just a liability.
Kanjani manje?
No, it's a liability because he is predictable. Saleng cannot. We are playing as a winger. If you are playing as a winger, I'm expecting you to take a one-on-one with the player and also bring the square pass. Not just that whenever you arrive in the final third, where now you have to take the ball inside. Sometimes go outside, go to the box, attack, drive with the ball, so that you can go to Lokuzan 6 yard, and then you do a pass, just a square pass. So now you just go to the line with the Matthews. So they were repeating same actions. You crossing. That's why they became man of the match, because they cleaned everything there on the air. You have surely you have Lokuzan, Motiba. You putting ball on the air, but those guys, they were not winning the balls. You overhit the balls. You're not the precision. You're not kicking the ball towards in front of the penalty spot there at the central. hit the ball central. So you always hitting the ball, they will overkick the ball, overcook the ball, and then they go to the other side. But very good game for Richards Bay. They're just becoming deep with their 43, making sure that there are no spaces in the midfield. Then they're always going with the counter attack with the 3, because I'm a fullbacks of Sundowns. Motebo was just inverting inside, and then sometimes on occasions Umtao was overlapping.
Now, what was that converting inside? Because I only saw Modiba playing inside. I didn't see him on his left side now.
Yeah, when they were defending, or when they were in the build-up phase, you could see that okay, he is the defender. But whenever they were starting to have a progression, because sometimes we're on the ball, that's what I'm saying. If there was Uzwane, they will be maybe patient more, and they will be able to add the numbers when they're going outside the box, because sometimes we were able to drive to build up, where using ama who's with and left channel, no right channel, also central, because they were passing the ball to Motiwa. Even when Umkwena was in, no Marcelo Alene, they were able to find their own tabling Nabo sales here in the middle. It's just that the way they were so structuring, they were shifting well, and then after that, because they couldn't get outside that line, now they were preferring to go out wide. Whenever they go out wide, now they have to rely on crosses. So when they rely on crosses, and then that's why Motiba, they were frustrated whenever they trying to take the shot outside the box, and then they miss, and then after that they lose the confidence. Then no one wants to take that responsibility of doing it again. So it was so Sundowns was so predictable. On the left, it was so predictable when Salem was in. Even on the right, we didn't see even when Umrena was in. Umrena is a little bit tired, because Umrena, whenever he's having the ball, that individual brilliance of beating you one-on-one, of disguising you as if he's going in and going outside, and then after that he make an accurate pass. I don't remember Umrena making any cross, because Umkwena is so accurate when he's making those crosses to the box, but he didn't today. So credit to Richards Bay FC today.
Well, the point drop. Again, you say for Richards Bay, and I think for also Mamelodi Sundowns, there's a huge 2 points drop, considering Uti Orlando Pirates had also played a throw. So now their hopes were that if Sundowns win this one, Sundowns is going to be comfortable there on the race, considering that they still have a game in hand. You said, you said it will not go down to the wires. Pirates will be 6 points behind. Do you still share the same sentiment?
Yeah, I still believe so. Because I think the next game of Sundowns, is it in Polokwane or is it in Joburg?
It's going to be both sides. So irrespective of
so yeah, but my point is, I think the coaches next game, they will make sure that they start with Adams and Umkwena, because Sundowns have been winning 10 games in a row, if I'm not mistaken. They've been having the midfield of Umkwena and Adams. Last game they didn't get the result because that combination didn't start. Now you can see that the spine of the team is affected. Even today, started with Saleng, started with Marcelo Allende and also
Adams.
And also Adams. And then last game Adams was not there. So now we can see, everybody can see the winning formula. Just put that Bafana combination there, and then everything will come out for Sundowns. So I'm thinking if the coaches can just fix there, because it's not that much what they need to fix. So if they fix that, they will be good to go. And also, I've noticed something about the coaches. They could say that, especially for Richards Bay, they could say that, okay, their players they are managing, because we've been criticizing them on the previous games that why do you take out 2 pounds? You remember even on the game of Pirate, that when you take out Pirate, you don't have the outlet anymore. They were so tired. They were so tired, because they have to run, they have to cover a lot of distance, because they were defending the team, but they were so tired. But they just said the coaches, they didn't change, they would keep the structure the same, so that they can always have something on the game. So that's it. So you could say that they were very tired, but also Sundowns didn't capitalize on that.
Well, they're just about it. Mamelodi Sundowns iqanda, Richards Bay iqanda. Mamelodi Sundowns could not be able to get all 3 points and take the top spots from the Orlando Pirates. As things are right now, Orlando Pirates is on top with a point up. So Sundowns still got a game in hand, but the basho ke abazi kangcono, but the games in hand are not
points, Baba, not points. You still need to play for your games and try to find the 3 points. And then things now since we are going to the crunch time, it's not difficult. It's very, very difficult to find the 3 points. There's no walk in the park for all the teams. For Kaizer Chiefs, for Pirates, for Sundowns.
Yeah.
So it's tough.
Wonke umuntu ulwa impi yakhe, indoda nendoda ayiphakame izikhombise. Please do subscribe, share, utshele nabangazi ukuthi sikuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. From mina mfana kamnikazi uKhaphela uGcotsi ijaba loba qobe lehlangene kwamanje. I'm out of here.
Asibonga baba.